On one side, you're bleeding money because you're spending for ads for the visibility, but people are not even coming to your website. People are going ahead and searching on LLMs. An AI agent comes in between, steals them even before they enter they look at your ad or they land on your website. It takes them and shows them the other comparison within the LLM. So your only way that you can survive this situation is you do something to appear in the LLMs where the LLMs can scrape you. There are a few ways that you can do this. One is to create your own APIs that you can submit into the plugin stores. So you need to create a basic online system where your data can appear in API in the AI plugin stores, whether it is on ChatGPT, whether it is on OpenAI, whether it is Google, whether it is Perplexity, etc. So this need to have all the updated information about your products, price, variants, etc. So that way, when people use LLMs to shop online, the agent first looks at its own plugin store and the other stores even before it fetches information from another from generic scraping. So first things first, you need a data system or something like an API that collects all the information about your product and all the attributes. Second is focus on schema. Just like any other SEO activity we had done in the past, you need to update your system with all the meta tags, metadata, all the information about your product so that the system can easily read it. JSON is the best way to go ahead and upload that. If you do not understand this, you can safely ask your web developer to do that. He'll be more than happy to do that for you. So add this small code block with all the details about your products that tells the system about the name of the product, price of the product, stock, and all the other details. Create FAQ pages on your websites or product pages. Have very specific FAQs about the product that are being answered, because LLMs and any AI tool loves information that is structured and not hidden somewhere in a paragraph. So you need to have a clear-cut FAQ section which talks about the product, including the attributes, including the details, including the product description. Have structured product feeds appear in all the merchant center, in all your product catalogs. And if you're running Google ads, if you have Google Shopping, or if you use Google Shopping in any way, have Google Merchant Center updated with very detailed information about your product feed. So these are some ways where you can go ahead and avoid LLMs stealing your traffic. These are what you do to avoid stealing traffic. But in case that happens, in case you're not looking at, and in case you're not able to do anything with respect to that, generally, how do you make sure you appear on LLMs and what are the workarounds is something that we will see in the next session. Thank you so much. My name is Casey. This is Boring AI Company.